Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Holzkern, an Austrian wood watch brand flooding Instagram with unique designs and sustainability claims. With mixed reviews ranging from beautiful craftsmanship to cheap quality, is this a legitimate luxury brand or overpriced fashion jewelry? Let's break it down. So is Holzkern real or fake? Holzkern is 100% legitimate, not a scam. Founded in 2015 by twin brothers Vitus and Markus Eichbichler in Salzburg, Austria, the company has physical headquarters, registered business, and real customer service. You receive an actual product if you order. However, legitimate doesn't mean good value, and that's where things get controversial. Holzkern uses Chinese quartz movements, like Miyota or similar, housed in woodstone composite cases. The watches are assembled in Austria, but components are sourced globally, mostly Asia. The price ranges from $160 to $430. Here's the reality check. You're paying for a significant premium for the unique aesthetic and marketing, not precision timekeeping or investment-grade horology. Many customers genuinely love the Holzkern watches. Users praise beautiful, unique designs you won't see everywhere. Comfortable, lightweight wood construction, conversation starter appeal, eco-friendly, sustainable branding, good packaging and presentation, and responsive customer service when it works. One satisfied buyer says they had theirs for 2 years and still looks great. Gets compliments all the time. However, the complaints are significant. Users report short lifespan with movements stopping after 6 to 18 months, questionable build quality for the price point, watches that look cheap in person despite glamorous photos, slow customer service and difficult warranty claims, and feeling they overpaid compared to value delivered. One disappointing customer said for €300, they expected way better quality. The wood started chipping after a few months and the movement died after 14 months. Another blunt review said it's basically fashion jewelry pretending to be a real watch. Nice aesthetic, but don't expect it to last. Serious watch collectors are harsh on Holzkern, the consensus overpriced fashion watch with cheap movements marketed as luxury. For $200-400, you could buy established brands like Seiko, Citizen, or Tissot with proven reliability, automatic movements instead of cheap quartz, watches with resale value and horological respect, or timepieces with decades of durability. One watch expert summarized Holzkern is selling a lifestyle and aesthetic, not a quality timepiece. If you understand that and still want it, fine, but don't confuse it with actual watchmaking. The bottom line, Holzkern is legitimate but divisive. If you love the unique wood aesthetic and accept you're paying for design over durability, you'll likely be satisfied. If you expect long-lasting quality and horological value for $200-400, you'll be disappointed. It's a fashion accessory, not a serious timepiece. The final verdict, Holzkern is a real company but with questionable value. The watches are unique and conversation worthy, but quality doesn't match the price. For the same money, Seiko, Citizen, or Tissot deliver superior reliability and longevity. Buy Holzkern if you love the aesthetic and accept it as fashion jewelry, not if you want a quality watch investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.